They say don't go, but the forest knows my name. I heard them first on a moonless night, between the oak and the holly light. And not a voice, not a song, not a word, just a pull like a river unheard. My mother said, child, lock the door. The woods will take you like those before. But the wind through the rowan sang my name, and I knew I was not the same. And I stood at the edge where the village ends, where the path grows dark and the thorn descends. One step, one breath, one life left behind, and the green swallowed me, kind, so kind. Come, come where the old ones walk, where the shadows sing and the branches talk. I am not lost, I am not gone, I am the girl who went beyond. Dance, dance under hollow view, where the mortal heart grows still. The forest called and I came. The forest knows my name. I drank the dew from the foxglove bed. I danced with the fae in the deep wood dell. Their eyes were stars, their hands were leaves. They wove me a crown of all I believe. But when I turned to find the path back home, the trees had closed, I was not alone. Not trapped, not lost, just simply free. The forest had grown right into me. And I stood in the glade where the time stands still, where the moonlight drips from the whippoorwill. One heart, one beat, one soul aligned. And the green is my body, the wind is my mind. Come, come where the old ones walk, where the shadows sing and the branches talk. I am not lost, I am not gone, I am the girl who went beyond. Dance, dance under hollow hill, where the mortal heart grows still. The forest core and I came. The forest knows my name. I did not die, I became. The girl at the edge is a tail in the flame, but the tail is alive, and she walks here still, somewhere between the dew and the hill. Do you hear her? She is me. Come, come where the old ones walk, where the shadows sing and the branches talk. I am not lost, I am not gone, I am the girl who went beyond. Dance, dance under hollow bed, where the mortal heart grows still. The forest tore and I came. The forest knows my name. But the forest knows my name.